To turn things over to our first alert meteorologist, Nelly Cadena. We do have a first alert weather day in effect. So, yeah, this mosquito spraying might be delayed because of what we're expecting.
Well, at 9 o'clock, it should be fine.
Okay.
By 9 o'clock, this is going to be mostly long gone. By 5 o'clock, I think most of the Metroplex could be clearing the strongest storms, but it will impact the afternoon, evening commute for places like Johnson and Ellis.
Okay.
So it's moving down right now. And as I mentioned, we do have that first alert weather day due to the possibility of some strong to severe storms. So this will not be widespread, all over the place, large hail kind of thing. So this is moving in from north to south, at least the front is, but we have activity also coming in from the south. You see here some rain coming in from the south. We have a line of storms right along the border with Oklahoma there along the Red River. And then another one that's formed near Abilene, moving into the Gordon area and our northwestern counties like Clay County. But the front is still about 150 miles northwest of us. That will push through during the day today, and the line of storms will become a little bit stronger as that lift gets closer. And as we get some breaks of sunshine, a little more heating of the day, we could see one or two of the storms get a little bit tougher with the possibility of some larger hail. I think we could see maybe a quarter-size hail with a couple of these storms and some gusty localized winds from one or two of the storms decaying. So we could see some strong winds, but this is not going to be everywhere. We are at a level 2, and I'm going to zoom in and show you where everything is at. You can see the Metroplex is pretty quiet right now. We had a couple of storms that got close to DFW Airport, and that's why we had a ground stop for about 15 minutes. But right now, the heaviest activity is up north. We don't have any severe thunderstorm warnings, but I do have a flash flood warning in effect until 2 o'clock for parts of Cook and Grayson County. It's been raining. Some of these are very juicy. They're dropping an inch to an inch and a half of rain. So just be aware of that, because as they move down, there's a lot of moisture to work with. And so we could see some ponding out there on the roads during the afternoon. Now let's get close now to the Metroplex. Tarrant and Dallas, relatively quiet right now. We have that line of storms along the Red River, lots of lightning, heavy downpours, no large hail. So this is the line over to the north and over to the west that's going to start to move down in the next couple of hours as the front gets closer. We also have a couple of non-severe showers and thunderstorms close to Johnson County. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we can expect. First of all, you notice these little dots of purple. That's very small hail. That's all that we've registered with the storm so far. They'll move into the Metroplex. I put 11 a.m. because we've seen already a couple of showers, a couple of thunderstorms until about 5 p.m. And then they'll move down towards the southeast during the late afternoon into the early evening hours. Main concern would be gusty winds with some of these and some large hail. Not with all of the cells, but maybe one or two. You notice the temperature difference between what's going on here and towards the northwest, where we already have that front. We have some breezy conditions ahead of the front, but this is what we can expect. Now notice by 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, we have strong storms over the Metroplex, Calling, and Denton. 2 o'clock, it's still raining. By then, we'll have some localized flash flooding. Be aware of that. And then the front starts moving to the south. Once we're in the cooler sector, the threat for severe weather really drops. And you'll feel it as you step outside. You'll notice, oh, it's much cooler than it was. We could see an additional batch overnight. It all depends how far that front stalls. But tomorrow is looking drier. Thursday is looking wetter, showers and thunderstorms, not necessarily severe, and 84 on Friday. The weekend, 40% chance of showers.